Hello guys, let's start with another reorder paragraph question. You have 2 minutes to solve this question. Let's start with first. Firstly, we need to find the introduction sentence. Introduction sentence means the sentence which give the general idea of the topic. So let's start with A. This should draw the public attention and people should put more concerns on teenagers. This should draw. We don't know about what is this here. So A is not our introduction sentence, or in simple, we can't start the introduction sentence with this. In B, according to the research, more car accidents occur in the morning. Maybe this is our introduction sentence, but we are not sure because we also have C, D, and E. Then C, as a new method, it is advised to have more qualifications for teenagers to get licenses. We don't know about which method are they talking about. D, especially this happens very often among teenage drivers. This happens. We don't know about what is this here. E, particularly most of those accidents happen between 1 a.m. and 5 a.m. For example, in Port Macquarie, those accidents. We don't know about which accidents are they talking about. See, we only left with B. B, this is our introduction sentence. According to the research, more car accidents occur in the morning. And now we need to find the sentence which is related to B. At the end of B, morning is given. And then E, particularly most of those accidents happen between 1 a.m. and 5 a.m. Then time is mentioned of the morning in the E. This is our second sentence. Now, third, with whom these accidents are occur. These accidents mostly occur with teenage drivers, or the people who are facing these accidents or these problems are teenage. This is our third. In the first, he mentioned, according to the research, more car accidents occur in the morning. Then in the second, he gave the time of the morning, 1 a.m. and 5 a.m. In the third, he mentioned, and with whom these accidents are occur. This is third. Now, uh, we left with A and C. As a new method in the AC, as a new method, it is advised to have more qualification for teenagers to get license. And in the A, this should draw the public attention. Firstly, he mentioned in the D, this happens very among teenage drivers, and this happens among teenage drivers, and this should draw the public attention, and People should put more concerns on teenagers. This is our fourth. And in the C, this is our fifth. They give solution of these problems. Solution to prevent accident. As a new method, it is advised to have more qualification for teenagers to get license.